Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So in today's video I have a haul. I placed an order with HCS nail art supplies. Now during the Christmas period Joe was doing the advent calendar and I've never bought from this company before, so I wanted to give them a try. So I will just start. Okay. On the invoice it doesn't tell you prices, so I just went on the website and had a look. So firstly I got these 500 long stiletto nails. Oh, just noticed the sticker. Yeah, 500 piece nail tips. Now these were £4.25. Let me show you. I'll get 0 out. Please excuse my nails, just ignore them. They look absolutely disgusting. I need to redo them desperately. Yeah, these are huge. Love them. Really love them. Because I always buy tips, I mean quite clearly, they always come in bags. Now I saw that they were selling an empty box, so I bought that. £3.60. Put that in the bin. Yeah, so I'm going to have fun putting my tips in, and it's nice to be organised rather than having to go through the bag all the time, do you know what I mean? So we'll put those there. Right, now onto the glitters. So I bought one of the mystery boxes, and then I bought some singular glitters. So I will show you what I have. These were all £1.50 each. Shall I bring you down? That's better. See, it's got a bloody sticker on it. It says promise. Pinky promise, this is. So this is a multi-mix. So I'm guessing three different sized hexagons. This is such a beautiful colour. So pretty. I don't have any glitter that colour, believe it or not. Shit, they're dropping on the floor. Yeah. Then I got Raindrops. Now, these are circles. So we have a yellow, I'd say like a neon. Oh god, I'm so close. Let me come down. A neon pink, and then to me it looks like a kind of a metallic blue. That's very pretty. I don't have a glitter like that. Oh. And then I got Parma Violet. I saw this one on Joe's channel. That's very pretty. This one again is circles. I never used to be a fan of circles, but I'm kind of digging them. is such a pretty, it's like a lilac-y colour. And I do love me a Parma Violet. Beautiful. And then I got the Crush. They had, I think it must be a collection because there was a few of them on there. The Crush collection. I didn't buy them all. And then I saw on Instagram, I think it was yesterday, that she's putting some new Crushes on the website soon, and some other bits. So yeah, I will definitely be buying those. This one, Mango Crush. This will be beautiful for spring. It's a mylar. Stunning. I'm sorry if you can hear that. The rubbish man's just pulled up. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, I don't have anything like that, hence why I bought it. See, I only found out about this HCS nail art supply company Christmas time, so I blame Joe for this order. Then we have a Candy Floss Crush, beautiful pink. Again, you know, these are the mylar, micro mylar. Stunning. So this is a pink and then it goes to a blue. Yeah, I see a blue, and then I can also see like a red, orangey red. I don't know if you're going to see that on camera. You can see the blue. But they are beautiful. This one is like a gold and a blue. But then I see that red. They are stunning. I really, 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 really love those. I also got Violet Crush. Is that a butterfly? Do they have butterflies in? Can't see it in that one. Maybe it's just in this one. Violet Crush, this is a really, really beautiful colour. Look at that. See, what I'm seeing in real life and what you're seeing are two different things. But trust me, these are so, so beautiful. And only £1.50. Gorgeous. Where is that butterfly? Or was I just seeing things? Do you know, I still haven't had my eyes tested. Yeah, there is a butterfly. I don't know if he's meant to be in there. You won't get to see that. Oh, there's a couple of them. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can you see him there? I can't wait until she brings out the other crushes. This one, Blush Crush, and I think Joe's got this one as well. Look at that. These are absolutely stunning. And I'm so glad that I got glitters that I don't already have, if you know what I mean. Because I haven't even counted how many glitters I've got. I know I've got so many. So many. And I know for a fact I don't have anything like this. So I'm super pumped about that. Right, now I got a bag. This is the glitter mystery box, and this was £20. I don't know how many glitters you get. Shall we have a quick count? Oh shit, why am I so clumsy? Two, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16 of them for 20 quid, which is bloody good. So I see a couple that I already got, which isn't a problem. I will either give it away or just stick it in a giveaway. We shall see. Right, we have Frankenstein. Now this is a green that goes into purple. See that? This is a multi-mix. Beautiful. We love that. Then we have Mermaid. This one again is a multi-mix. These are chameleon. I couldn't think of the word. This is that's more of a lighter green than that one. But this, is that a blue or a purple? It's a purple. Pretty. We have Christmas tree. That is beautiful. That is a red, like a fine red holographic, and then it has some larger green hexagons, and then some like small white matte hexagons. That's really pretty. And even though it says Christmas tree, yeah, even though it says Christmas tree, you can use that all year round. That's very pretty. I like that one a lot. Let's move you, pop you there. Then we have some holographic silver butterflies. Look at that. Pretty. We have golden days. So this is a multi-mix. So there's some large, yeah, they are pretty large hexagons up there. Pretty. We have a disco ball. So these are just small silver hexagons. Pretty. I think I'm seeing some iridescent ones in there as well. But very pretty. God, I've got so much glitter, it's disgusting. Okay, this is a fine 24 karat gold. Yeah, just a fine gold. And then, oh, this one is beautiful. This is Purple Rain. Purple Rain, Purple Rain. Okay, so we have a holographic black and a holographic purple. I think these are like medium-sized hexagons and some fine beautiful. In person, this is more holographic. As you know, the camera don't really pick it up too great. It's beautiful. Love that. We have pink multi-mix. This is pretty. Beautiful colour. I've got this one. Violet Crush. Just this one. I'm not mad. That is bloody beautiful. Okay, Silver Moon, which is just a fine silver. Oh, again, I've got this one here, which is the Raindrops. Not mad. We have Satsuma. It's a beautiful orange. Yeah, this is multi-mix. Very, very pretty. Pink Ocean. This is an iridescent multi-mix. So you've got some large hexagons, some medium. God, look how much glitter I got. I can't even get it all in a shot. Do you think I have a problem? Because I certainly think I do. This is pretty. This is bubblegum. So it's a blue and a purple. Oh, and it's got pink in it as well. So this is a multi-mix. There's a fine blue, and purples and pinks. Gorgeous. And then sadly, the last one, we have Festival. This is very pretty. This has a fine green. My eyesight is just ridiculous. And then there is like that turquoise green, and then the purple. How pretty. So that is it. That is it. I'm super happy. Now I've got to find room in my folder. Oh, bring you out. Yeah, I have to find room now in my folder. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then it is what it is. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.